video without the trees. That section there is what John referred to as the island. So the tree was massive. What he has to cut tomorrow, the rest of the trunk is as high as a 2-story building, so the tree was even taller than those. We did find out that this tree, sometime in a storm, the top of that tree, the highest branch actually broke off, and it is laying in those other trees. So he's gonna fix that for us. But as you can see, there's our well and all those trees. 2 dogwoods, a walnut, and this mighty oak. We're growing right over our water line. But they'll be back tomorrow. So the sun is setting. It's gonna go behind those clouds. Hated to see the trees come down, but don't need to have to replace a water line.